What's going on YouTube? This is just going to be a quick, oops, dropping things already. Quick overview of these 3 oil filters. These are for Pentastar 3.6. The later version, which is I think is 2014 and up. This is the Wix XP Purolator 1 and the Fram Ultra Synthetic. Not a full review, just a quick overview of the 3 filters. Keep this thing from falling. Sorry, I'm outside. There's a lot of cars passing. And as you can see, 3 filters here. The Fram. This one's made in Korea, South Korea. This black marking right here is me. I marked the marker where the media gets glued together. But South Korea, this one's a little wobbly here, and the media inside. And this thing can focus, but it actually has. It's just like the Purolator Boss, where it has the embedded plastic in the back to keep it strong. This is actually a really nice filter. I'm surprised that actually Fram makes something really that good. Next thing is the Purolator 1. Again, that's me with a marker drawing it. This one's actually really uniform, really nice. As you can see, the end caps here are bigger than the Fram ones. Same thing with the bottom. This one's made in Korea as well. Let me see if you could see that. Focus, focus, no focus. Now, what's made in Korea? Finally, the Wix XP. This one's a little more, it's really thick compared to the the Fram one. As you can see, the end caps are a little almost the same here. Actually, this one's actually thinner than this one is, compared to this one. And this one's actually made, it's not made right, it's offset. As you can see on this side over here, the yeah, you see that there, how the pleats are really close to the end cap here, and then if you turn it over, look how much gap there is. And sure enough, if I roll this thing on a table, it just lops. Bloop, bloop, bloop. This one's made in Mexico, actually. Yeah. This one's not as flimsy as a Fram one. From this end here, you could turn it. This one's, you could turn it with a little bit of pressure on it. This one you could turn right away. But honestly, I like the way this one looks. Again, it's got that mesh behind the filter media, so it can hold up for the so-called 20,000 mile intervals. This is just your standard type of filter. This one actually does have the wire mesh in the back. See if we could see it in the sun here. No, probably not. Oh, there it is. So, I mean, which one's better? Who knows? As far as I read, that this media, the synthetic stuff works a whole lot better, but all I know is that, check this out. What's wrong with this phone? It won't focus. It just says follow recommended change intervals as outlined in your owner's manual. So, don't change your oil at 20,000 miles. Change your oil to the recommended service intervals. It's exactly what the oil filter manufacturers are saying here. So this is just a quick overview of these 3 filters for the 3.6 Pentastar engine. Thanks.